Hello everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to cut our fabric using the pattern that we drafted in the other video. We will cut it and sew our basic bodice. This is the material I'm using. As you can see, we have folded it into two. I said it that when cutting this fabric, using this my pattern, that I'm going to cut my fabric on four. So I'm starting with my front pattern. The side that you folded the fabric, can you see this side? Then you place your pattern. Let your center front be towards that side. So I'm going to pin down my pattern to the fabric so that when I'm cutting, it will not shift. So I've pinned down the pattern paper to the fabric. So I will go ahead and cut the fabric now. Can you see? This is for the front. I will take off my pattern paper from the fabric. So I will keep this aside and cut the back now. So let's cut the back pattern now. So as you can see, my fabric is still on fold too. So I'm cutting the two back panels together. So I'm done cutting my back. So these are my two back panels, and this is my front panel. The next thing will be to go ahead and do the sewing. So the first thing will be for us to hold the dart. So I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So you first of all transfer your dart. The dart that you had on your pattern, you transfer it to your fabric. So I will show you how to do that. Let me use one side of the back panel to demonstrate how to transfer your dart. So what I will do, I'll just place my pattern, making sure that it matches up. I believe you can see it matches up. Then there are so many methods to transfer your dart. You can use your tracing wheel. Then you just place it, trace it this way. Then it will show on the fabric. Then you maybe use your chalk, or you go straight to your sewing machine and hold it. But in the absence of your tracing wheel, you can use your chalk to transfer your dart. For example, I will place where I have my dart. This way, I will open it up. Then I will mark that point. So this is not accurate. The one that will give you accuracy is using your tracing wheel. I'll mark this other point and I will open up, mark this other point. Then I will come to where the dart stops and make a mark. Come to where the dart ends. Then I will make a mark as well. Then I will take off my pattern. I will use my ruler to trace it out. So this is the simplest way for someone that doesn't have a tracing wheel. But if you have a tracing wheel, it will make your job easier. In another video, I will show you how to use the tracing wheel to trace out your darts. Can you see? I have transferred my dart. So I will do same for the rest of the fabric. That is the other side of the back panel and my front panel. You can see I have traced out all my darts. These are the two back panels, and this is my front panel. I have traced my dart, and I have traced my boss dart for the front panel as well. So I will go to my sewing machine. I will hold it this way. I will sew following my dart leg. Then this other one, I will hold it this way as well. Then I will sew following my dart leg. You can decide to pin down your dart so that you will follow the pins, so that it will be easier for you as a beginner. So let me go to my sewing machine now and hold my dart. So I have hold my darts. Can you see? I've hold the darts. This is the inside. I'll go to my ironing board and iron the dart. I've hold for both my two back panels and the front panel. So before going to my ironing board, I will turn the neckline at once so that I will iron them together. So to turn the neckline, I'm going to use a bias tape to pipe the neckline and the armhole area. You can decide to use a bias, or you can cut the fabric, use it and turn the neckline. So this is the bias that I made from the fabric. I'm going to use it and pipe the neckline. So what I will do will be for me to cut this bias. Believe you can see. Then I will go to my sewing machine. I will place the bias on the right side of the fabric. This way, I will sew it to this other neckline. Then I will turn it over this way. I'll do same for these other panels and the armhole part. Can you see how I sew it? Now I will turn it this way to the wrong side of the fabric. Then I will top stitch here. Can you see the neckline? This is one part of the back. I'm going to iron it. So the next thing now, after holding my darts, will be for me to attach my zipper for the back panel. As you can see, I have marked out my zipper allowance. So I will attach my zipper. This is the zipper I'm using. So let's go to the sewing machine. So I have piped the armhole for both the front and the back panel. I have installed my zipper for the back. Can you see? So the next thing I will do now will be for me to join the shoulder. So I will place both the front and the back right side facing each other. I will match it up. Then I will go to my sewing machine. I will join this and join this. I'll bring it for you to see. I'll join the shoulder. Can you see? So the next thing now is for me to join my side seam. So I will just place it right side facing each other. Then I will pin it down. So I've pinned it down. I will go to my sewing machine and join the side seam. Then I will hem the line, the down part. So our basic top is ready. Can you see? Can you see after holding the bust that? And this is the back view. Can you see how neat it looks like? This is the final outcome of our basic top. Can you see? Check out the back side. Can you see the zip line straight? Yes. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that when once I upload new tutorial, you'll be first to be notified. Bye bye. See you on the next tutorial.